Good day. Today, I'll be walking you through how to create effective questionnaires for your job posts on CVQuest. Adding a questionnaire to your job post is a powerful tool for pre-screening candidates. It helps you assess their skills, knowledge, and suitability for the role before the interview stage. By testing their experience and understanding of key concepts, you can ensure that only the most qualified candidates make it to the next phase, saving time and making your hiring process more efficient. First, let's navigate to the Questionnaires tab on the left side toolbar. Here, you'll see a list of all the questionnaires you've previously created. For this video, we're going to create a new one, so click on Add Questionnaire, and you'll be taken to a setup page where you can give your questionnaire a name and set a time limit. Once that's done, hit Save Questionnaire and you're ready to start adding your first questions. After clicking Add Questions, you'll see an option to name your question and choose the question type. For this example, we'll go with a long-form question, where the candidate will need to type out their response. Also include an image and set a maximum character limit for the answer. Once you've finished, click Save and use the back arrow at the top left to return to the questionnaire details screen. Now, let's move on to multiple choice questions. Here, you have the option to randomize the order of the choices you'd like. By selecting Add Answer, you can specify how many options you want, customize the text for each one, and mark the correct answer. You can also add an image to each option if needed. Once everything is set, click Save, and you'll be returned to the questionnaire details screen. Next, we'll move on to the Advanced options. On the top right corner, you'll see the Advanced Options button. After selecting and saving, questions you've created will be grouped into a section, which you can edit and rename as needed. You'll also see the option to create a new section. Click on this to continue. Now, let's dive into some of the advanced question types. After naming and saving your section, click Add Question. This time, under Question Type, you'll notice an extended list of options. Let's explore the mathematics question. Here, simply write the sum, problem, or question in the question field. Then enter the correct answer under Answer 1 and assign how many points the correct answer was worth. Just like other questions, you can also add images. Once you're done, click Save and use the back arrow to return to the Questionnaire Questions tab. The next question type we'll cover is multiple choice and multiple answers. This is perfect for gathering information like a candidate's qualifications, licenses, or fields of experience. To add more options, simply click Add Answer and assign points to each option based on its importance. Next, we'll cover the fill-in-the-blank question type. These types of questions are great for testing a candidate's knowledge of specific terms, processes, or technical details that are essential to the job. They encourage precise answers and can reveal how well a candidate understands key concepts. Under Section Details in the Questionnaire Questions tab, you can choose to randomize the order of the questions. Once you've done that, select the back arrow to return to the questionnaire section. From here, you can click Preview to see how the questionnaire will appear from the candidate's side. When previewing the questionnaire, you'll have the same allocated amount of time as the candidates to complete it. Once you've completed the questionnaire, you receive a detailed breakdown of your performance in each section and question. Now that we've finished the preview, click Save, then use the back arrow to return to the Questionnaires tab. Your questionnaire is now complete and ready to be used for future job posts.